guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys a lone DIY. Today's video and the next video is going to be a single DIY and it's going to have the same galvanized look to it. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some candle holders. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining me. I would love it if you became part of the DIY family by subscribing to my channel and hitting that bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. That's it. Let's get on to the DIY. So for this, I'm going to use one of these wire baskets from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and trim off the top rim and then the bottom, so it's just going to be the side that I have. So once those pieces are cut off, I'm going to trim right along the center and then stretch it out as much as I can. Once that's stretched out, I'll fold it in half and cut 2 pieces out of that. I will be using 12 of these wooden blocks for each candle holder, and I'm making 2, so you'll need a total of 24. Now I will be gluing a row of 6 and then another row of 6 and gluing those 2 pieces together. Now I'm going to wrap my wire piece around the wooden base. As you can see, I did crease that corner, so you're just going to work your way around. Once you get to the other corner, you just fold the wired piece in or out, or however you take it, and you just go ahead and crease it. And you're going to do that all the way around until you get to the end, and then you're going to trim your piece to make it short, or short enough to go around, long enough to go around. You guys know what I mean.
I was never the one to write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in old conversations, cause I've always been told.
Right here, I'm just going to put a little bit of hot glue just so that it can hold it together as I'm wrapping it around. And then I'm just going to intertwine the pieces of the part that I cut into the wire just so it holds it together.
Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me want.
Here I'm just trimming the top to make sure that it's nice and even, and then also trimming the bottom so none of the pokey pieces are gonna poke you. You like that? Pokey pieces? And then taking some Walmart twine, I'm just gonna wrap it around the wooden base to cover the wire, and then also just to give it a more, farmhousey look, and do it twice around. And then once I get to the bottom, I will glue it on top of the open pieces so that it covers like any of the wire that's poking out. For the top part, I am also going to weave some of that twine up and over, up and over. Once I get all the way around, I'm going to make a nice little bow, and then at the top I will also glue another piece of twine to cover any of the uncovered pieces of the wire, because it sticks out and it's a little pokey and I don't want to get hurt, so I'm going to do that. I also did put a little bit of a stretch to the top just to make the opening a little wider. And then keep in mind, if you do an open flame candle on this, you do have some rope on there. You don't want it to catch fire. I would highly recommend LED candles, or just be super careful with an open flame.
We won't need nothing else for the rest of our time, and I know it so well. I will always be by your side.
So you could totally leave them as is, or like me, I'm going to make some stands. So I'm going to use 2 of these candle holders and one of these little plastic cups from Dollar Tree. So one of them is going to be taller and then the other one's just as is. So if you guys want to make them both tall, you can do the plastic cup on both candle holders. To give it the galvanized look, I'm going to take a mixture of this black chalkboard paint and white acrylic paint from Dollar Tree and make a dark, or I guess it's darker gray color, and then taking some toilet paper, just lightly dab it on to the candle holders after they're spray painted with a metallic silver paint. And then after that, you just kind of take your toilet paper and just dab it around. Try not to be too harsh on it so it doesn't have big old globs of paint on it.
I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. You down, and I know that I was not always around. I made you feel alone. You spent most of your nights just sitting on your own. much more, like giving you the things you asked me for. And I know I was wrong. It's what I try to tell you with my song, tell you with my song. What if I said I'm sorry? What if I'd make a scene? Wouldn't that make you mine again? You're all I'll ever need. Didn't I make you laugh? Didn't I make you smile? Didn't I make you feel like you were happy for a while? I know that I've done so many things that let you down, but I hope that you give me one more chance to make you mine. When I close my eyes, you know that you're the only thing I see, and it makes me cry to think that you are no longer with me.
Alright you guys, that is going to be it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by now it's probably already the new year, so I really hope you guys are having an awesome start to the new year. If you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you gave me a thumbs up. Leave me your comments down below and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys on the next one. Bye!